product Ayuda, the money plant. We are a micro-lending platform which tends to revolutionize the microfinance industry. Now let me tell you something about Ayuda. We are a peer-to-peer blockchain-based money lending platform. We connect lenders and borrowers from all across the globe because we believe in the fact that the will to serve in you is much beyond the miles that separates you. Now let me tell you something special about our platform is that we incentivize our lenders when they pull in more money, and we incentivize them as they pull in more and keep on going pulling in more money. And we also have a reputation system for our borrowers, which ensures that nobody defaults the loan and keeps them in check. Now let us suppose I want to now you can see the trending profiles over there. You can see their reputation scores over here. Now if you want to view all the loans, then you can click over here and see all the loans. Now let us suppose I want to lend few bucks to John. Now I can see his complete story over here. He is from Vietnam, he's a mechanical engineer, why he needs a $350 loan, and these are the loan details which you will be paying. Okay, so let us suppose I am paying 50 bucks to John. I'll be doing this via MetaMask. As you can see, MetaMask pop-up has opened. Our contract is working fine. Now I will submit and the transaction is done. Now let me go back to my dashboard. From here I can see my previous transactions over here and a graph depicting the difference of the amounts I have earned previously as compared to the amount I would have earned if I would have invested in a normal micro-lending firm. This red line shows the amount of return which I would have received if I would have invested in a normal firm, micro-lending firm, whereas the blue line on the graph depicts the exponential increase in the returns that I have got from using Ayuda platform. Now this is all this increase in the interest rate is based on a proposition that the borrower has to pay the same amount of interest rate. He is not charged dynamically on the interest rate. This increase is because of an algorithm which uses a state-of-art mathematical formula to compute interest to calculate incentives for each lender. Now it works in such a way that all the lenders are paid according to the proportion they have paid for that particular loan. In this manner, the lender who has pulled in more money gets in more incentive, and this way more and more lenders are encouraged to come on the platform and invest more and more money. So all the and also from the borrower side, all the borrowers are first verified by our field partners who act as our ground force. When a borrower is verified by a field partner, they come to this portal, ask for a request for a loan, and people like Bill pay for their loans and they pay a small interest rate. The borrower pays a small interest rate, which is transferred back to Bill as an exponential return. This was our platform, and because of this, we are able to create an ecosystem of loyal borrowers and confident lenders who believe in this system and growth mutually. Now let me show you the Robston network on which we have deployed our contract. Let me refresh it. Okay, so as you can see, we have done some sample tests. These are sample tests, and this one is our latest transaction that we have done. As you can see, 0.06 Ether has been transferred to John, and our whole transaction was successful. So this is Team Satoshi signing off with their product Ayuda. Thank you.